Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to reset your Google Pixel 10 back to factory settings. The first thing you'll need to do is swipe up and go to your settings. Swipe up, you're going to go to passwords, passkeys, and accounts. And basically you want to tap on your Google account and hit remove account. And you'll need to repeat this step for any and all Google accounts on the phone. The reason for this is if there's any Google accounts on the phone after the reset is done, you will need to provide that password before you can get into the phone. So if you're resetting the phone because you need to sell it or give it away, you have to follow this step before you do the actual reset. Okay, now let's go ahead and back up one screen here. Next, swipe down and go to System, swipe up and go to Reset Options, and then go to Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Now, this is the final step before it starts the reset. Now, make sure you have transferred any important files off of the phone because once you do this reset, you will no longer have access to those files. There's no way to recover them. Also, you'll see this checkbox here that says Erase eSIM. Now, let me explain this because I've screwed this up and caused myself a lot of issues. If you have an eSIM that is tied to the phone and you're only resetting the phone, but you're still going to continue to use the phone after, do not check this box. Only check this box if you are resetting the phone because you want to give it away, return it, or sell it. If you're no longer going to be using the phone, then yes, you want to erase the eSIM. However, if you're just resetting the phone because you're trying to fix a potential glitch in the software, don't check this box, okay? Let's tap on Erase All Data, and then tap it again, Erase All Data, and this will start the process of resetting the phone. It's now going to erase all the data from the phone, and what's going to happen is the phone is going to restart a couple of times, and then when it's finished, it's going to take you to a welcome screen and it'll ask you to select a language. So at this point, you don't want to touch the phone, you don't want to do anything, just let it restart a few times and then let it take you to that welcome screen when it's done. One other small disclaimer, you will not be able to trigger the restart process if your phone is below a 30% battery level. So you want to make sure your phone is fully charged before you do this, or at least above 30%. If not, it will not let you start the factory reset process. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.